hello, today I'm gonna test ride another e-bike. I got the DYU C3 and we're gonna first unbox it together. So I actually watched someone else's video about the DYU C3 unboxing as well, so I kind of know what we have to attach. At the front wheel you have this thing which you need to bend down and then attach it over here. And here we also have the rear lights which we also need to attach. Yeah. Cute. Op de wiel, op de stuur. There's also some instructions that we can follow. We just attached this one and now we're attaching the pedals. Fully assembled. So this is the bike fully in its glory. I am 5'6" and I think the bike suits my height perfectly. There are some instructions on the bar. So it says power on and off is on this side. The right handlebar will show you how much battery there's left. And as we can see right now, there's still 3 points left, which means 3/3 because I think it goes up to 4. If you press this button for 3 seconds, the front light will turn on, which is this one right here. And they also have a reflective up here. And the back light also goes on, which is perfect. On the back it says that you can carry 25 kg on here. Nice little seat. And you have a front and back brake. So the bike seems pretty easy to use. There's not that many options. So it's basically just bike and go. We're gonna test ride the bike as well. See how it goes. I think it said that it can reach a maximum of 25 kilometers an hour, and we cannot see how fast we're going, so we're just gonna have to trust that. Something that I'm generally concerned with e-bikes is that they are easy to steal, but this one has the battery built into the frame, so then I think even though you know it's an e-bike, it's less easy to steal like certain parts of the bike because it's literally one coherent thing. And if you want to transport it easily, you can put the seats down and then you can bend the steer wheel over and then you can just carry it with you. It will also show when you're braking so that people behind you know that you're slowing down, like so. First impressions, it goes really fast. I'm a little scared. And with this bike, you cannot see how fast you're actually going. So before you know it, I'm out there. I feel like for how budget this bike actually is, because I think this is the cheapest option that they carry. It does everything that you want an e-bike to do. It drives fast, it has the battery thing. I like how they put the battery in the frame. That's like my biggest plus about this bike, that you cannot see the actual battery. So we just did our first test ride on the bike, which went well, and now I'm gonna go and test ride the bike. I decided to bike to a certain place which is supposed to take about 60 minutes by bike. So let's see how fast we're gonna get there. It's currently 1 p.m. 12:58 and we're gonna just see how fast we can get there and go back. I'm halfway on the way now and it's been 8 minutes, so it will take me another 8 minutes, and if I keep driving then it will take me exactly 60 minutes to get there. So far it's going well. The road that I want to go in actually is closed, so I'm not sure if I can go there, but let's try. So I'm actually on my way back because the other way was not allowed to go. I had to take a bit of a detour because the other area was closed. So we're still on our way, but this way is a little bit harder to drive because it's uphill, downhill. But we're still going very good, and we're still fully charged, so we can go. It is currently 1:28, which means I took a little detour, but I ended up at my destination. I think if the other road wasn't closed, we would have definitely made it within time, but we still made it to our destination, and the ride here was pretty comfortable, nothing too crazy. I do feel like my knees were a little bit up in my business a bit, so I'm gonna adjust the seat a little. So we drove it for about 30 minutes now, and we still have 30 dots, which means the battery lasts quite a while actually, and I actually didn't charge the bike yet when I started using it. As I said before, for a budget e-bike, this definitely does the job. And it's also easy to carry with you because it's foldable. Let's go and drive back home. As I mentioned before, the battery is in here, and where you can charge this is right below here. Very subtle. You can just open this up and put the charger in. So you do have to charge the bike in its full. You cannot take the battery out and charge just the battery. You have to like plug it in with the bike somewhere near your charger, but still very subtle. I love that. So that's the end of my test ride. I love this C3 bike. It's just very straightforward, nothing too crazy. It feels so compact, and it doesn't seem like people can just steal separate parts of the bike, which I love. I think I will get a lot of use out of this bike when I drive around town, and also later when I move to the city. I think it's just perfect for small distances in the city, and also if I go to friends. I'll put all the information down below in the description box, and thank you for watching as always. Bye!